we doing a headliner. While we doing headliner. We ain't gonna buy no new one. For $250. I was, but I didn't know I could do this. Until I thought what it is. It's called BYI, do it yourself. Get all that off. All that old fur. Yeah, that won't make it look so bad, the old fur. That's why people just gonna buy another one. And then you got cracks and nothing like that. If I knew this before I took it off, I would have been a little more careful. And not ripping anything around the light area. The light house. And what we'll do, we ain't finished. You could do it afterwards, or you could do it while you scrubbing the old fur off. I like to do it while I'm scrubbing the old fur. I like a clean job. Put a little fiberglass in these areas right here to make it more sturdy. The Mike T way. Try to hold that in a little bit because I know it's flabby. But we're gonna try to fix these two areas. Take it back. It like to do me like that sometimes. That came loose. Yeah, my good. We got the duct tape down, so what we'll do, got the fur off. It's a little weak spot here. You can flip it over, well, we're gonna tape the top first. It's a good tape right there. Put a little piece to make it stay down. This is not the, just to hold it down. So we're gonna fiberglass all that. Just a small pieces of fiberglass. That's the Mike T way we're gonna do it to make it way up more sturdy than what this is. That's how we gonna fix this without buying a $250 headliner, a piece of cardboard, and a piece of fabric for $250. It's crazy, ain't it? If you actually flip this thing over here, it ain't nothing but a piece of cardboard. It's a piece of cardboard that they did and that they made with this. I'm gonna flip it over, show you guys. Put a piece of tape here because it's weak right there. I'm gonna flip it over, show you guys what I'm talking about. It ain't nothing but a piece of cardboard, and they charge you $250 for the fabric. A piece of cardboard and fabric. I looked at this thing. I said, you know what? I'm not gonna spend $250 for no fucking piece of cardboard. I'm just gonna do it my damn self. A little duct tape. fiberglass. I think it works some magic. What do you think, guys? You think you spend $250 on a piece of cardboard, a new piece of fabric? Well, it ain't. If you gotta do what you gotta do, you gotta do what you gotta do. But if you could do it yourself and save the money, spend $60 instead of $250, save you about $190. I think that'd be awesome. And plus, you just getting your hands on it. And say, well, I did this. I put my old headliner in. I redid my own headliner, and you did your own, you know. So let's put this right here. I ain't got nowhere else to put it. Put a piece of glass right there. I'm gonna do this right here. One more piece. Right up in here. I'm glad I seen a vid on it. Somebody doing their own on there. And it make me want to do mine myself. So what we gonna do now, we're gonna come back to this fiberglass like I told y'all. Y'all see the tape? So we mixed up some fiberglass there. And we're gonna do that. We're gonna spread this all out. Or even on the top of the tape. So this is how we gonna make it back strong. Okay, yeah, we got that one to move that way. Then what we'll do, we'll let that dry. Some of these other spots here that I seen, like up there. Cause I know this trying to harden up on me. A little bit up here, carb, but we're gonna make it. We're gonna be creative. We're gonna make it better than what they did.